Hey everyone, welcome back to Double Clutch, and we are back with our wheel restoration series. Today we are going to be putting on the final coat of paint. We're going to rub them down with some isopropyl alcohol, make sure there's no oils or skin or anything like that left on the finish. We're going to tape up those lips, make sure they stay nice and polished, and then we are going to hit it with this Krylon Citrus Green. You know what? We didn't like any of your guesses, so we just chose this. Most obnoxious color on the shelf. So I realized after the fact that I wasn't nearly as detailed as I could have been when recording that, so I'll just lay it out for you here. We started out by scrubbing the last bits of oxidized aluminum with some Scotch-Brite, and then we moved on to decontaminating the paint surface.
Yeah, no, I'm with you.
You did them.
Yeah, I mean, the content's really been down there.
I made a 50-50 solution of water and isopropyl alcohol in a spray bottle that I used with a scrub brush and a pipe cleaner to scrub off any remaining polishes or skin oils from handling the wheels. We set them on a table in the sun and let them air dry after blowing out all the standing water from the crevices with compressed air. And then once the wheels were dry, we carefully taped off the polished lip with masking tape and painter's paper. This is probably the most detailed and difficult bit, as the paper really wasn't designed for that tight of a curve, but I'm told that there's a more flexible paper option out there, and we should probably look into that for the next time that we do another set of wheels. We pulled the table inside the garage and started misting on the first coat of paint, but the sun was starting to set and the temperature was dropping pretty quick, so we closed the door and fired up a jet-style diesel heater. After the color coat was applied, we shot on the wheel-specific clear coat and allowed that to dry for about 20 minutes in the heated garage before carefully removing the masking tape and paper. I'm super excited for the next one. It's a pretty uncommon car, and what's coming next for it is going to be even more exciting. I'm sure that it won't be anything what you expect it to be. So please, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell, because this project is just ramping up and I don't think you're going to want to miss it. So until next time, stop granny shifting and start double clutching like you should.
Yeah, I hope you're fucking real proud of yourself for that one, man. I hope you're real fucking proud.
Super proud, super proud.